Here's a quick video on how to change the batteries in your VTech Baby Care DM111 baby monitor. All you'll need for this is your baby monitor, but you also need two AAA batteries. I'm using rechargeable ones. I've got a link for the batteries and the baby monitor in the description below. Now this unit plugs into the wall with an AC port to keep it powered on full time, but for the times when you have to go to a different room in the house, it's nice to have the battery feature. A lot of people don't even know about it, but you flip the monitor over, and on the back down here on this cover, you can actually slide this back to expose the two AAA batteries. So you're going to take this ribbon here and pull out your old batteries. Now when you put them back in, there's a little chart here that shows the orientation of the batteries. So you want your positive side down on this one on the left, and your positive side up on this one on the right. Now I'll take my ribbon, hide it back in here, flip my latch back on, and I'm all set. I can take it anywhere in the house now, and I'll still have communication with transmitter. If there's any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If not, leave a thumbs up. Thanks.